This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with their closing grain and livestock comments for June 20th, 2018. Corn up a half, beans up a quarter, Chicago wheat up 7 to 10, Minneapolis wheat up 2 to 3, Kansas City up 5 to 6. We at least saw higher ticks on the trade today. Trade both sides of unchanged for all these markets, but at the end of the day we finished a little higher, and basically we're going to mark time. We're going to call it until tomorrow. Keep in mind, next Friday we've got this quarterly stocks report and final planting numbers. That will be a big report. We'll watch for details there. We're anticipating a little bit friendly corn, a little bit negative beans going into that report, but kind of how we come into it after such a big liquidation, we'd look for at least some covering coming in here, at least from the hedgers and at least from the shorts in the market. We believe managed money has worked very short, very quickly. Are the lows in? That's $1 million question. I think weekly the lows could very well be in. We can't assure of anything, but whether we test those or not and how we wind out of these carries are the $1 million questions. What kind of rallies should we look for? You know, I still think you can look for 20 to 30 cent type upside potential in the corn market from here. The bean market's much more suspect. It's going to depend on July and August weather, but possibly a run back up to those higher 980, 990 type levels, and then look for stiff resistance there. A lot of volatility yet to come here. Feeder cattle, anywhere from steady to up 22.5. Live cattle up 22.5 to 77.5. Hog market down 185 to 257.5. Hogs really not as big a liquidation yesterday, obviously down hard, but another carry through day, and that should not come as expected, or should come as expected. Those hogs were up there quite a ways on the highs before this news hits, so for them to falter, you know, I think fits into kind of the range we're within. Cattle market trying to make a good trade, trying to break out. We'll see if we can't do that tomorrow. I think this cattle market's got some momentum if we can get the good closes, so we'll watch that tomorrow and keep you posted. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.